Judge rejects Trump bid to ban John Bolton ex-advisor's book. A U.S. judge has rejected a request by the Trump administration to stop the publication of a memoir by former National Security Advisor John Bolton. The Justice Department argued that the book had not been properly vetted. Judge Royce Lamberth of the U.S. District Court in Washington, D.C. said Mr. Bolton had gambled with U.S. national security and exposed his country to harm. But he ruled that the government had failed to establish that an injunction would prevent irreparable harm. The new work, The Room Where It Happened, is due to go on sale on June 23. In it, Mr. Bolton paints a picture of a president whose decision-making was dominated by a desire to win the presidency again. Many of the allegations are based on private conversations and are impossible to verify. The Trump administration has pushed back against Mr. Bolton, with the president saying the book was made up of lies and fake stories. Among the book's allegations are that President Trump sought help from Chinese President Xi Jinping to win the 2020 vote, stressing the importance of farmers and increased Chinese purchases of soybeans and wheat in the electoral outcome. He also said China's construction of internment camps in the Xinjiang region was the right thing to do. President Trump was willing to intervene in criminal investigations to, in effect, give personal favors to dictators he liked. Mr. Bolton said Mr. Trump was willing to assist Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan over a case involving a Turkish company. The U.S. leader said invading Venezuela would be cool and that the South American nation was really part of the United States. Trump's Justice Department went to court this week to block publication, saying Bolton's manuscript contained classified information. Bolton and his supporters described the lawsuit as an effort to suppress the book and punish the author over the many criticisms of Trump. In its lawsuit, the administration accused Bolton of breach of contract by seeking to publish the book before the review process was complete. President Trump was unaware the UK was a nuclear power and once asked a senior aide if Finland was part of Russia. The former national security advisor accused Trump of making foreign policy decisions based solely on what would benefit him politically. Bolton also wrote that Trump had suggested a willingness to interfere with criminal investigations of foreign companies in order to appeal to foreign leaders, including those in China and Turkey.